Hey guys, if this is our first time meeting, my name is Donald Yim AIFT. I am a floral designer, but I'm also love to make YouTube videos to share my tips and experience with people who have a passion for floral design. If you are passionate about floral design like me, consider subscribing. Hey guys, it's Donald here. Today video I'm going to show you how I set up one of my corner for my photo shoot and using one of my showroom setup skill and show you how easy to finish this project. Let's do this. This area is not that big, so I think most of the people have that kind of space for them. For the photo shoot, you don't need a lot of space for a photo shoot because depends on how big is your arrangement. If your arrangement is not that big, you can do a little small area so you can do a really nice photo. Let me show you what I have in here. I have a table here, so I want to put some products in here to do photo shoot. The reason I'm doing this is because of this arrangement. I put it outside, it's not working, so I want to make it nice for setting an area for the photo shoot. So what I'm having here is some of the products I got it from garage sale. Some is Napco products, beautiful. Some is the connection I have, the milk glass. Some of the stuff I already have in my garage for many years. I haven't used it. Wooden box, give you the look, give you the like a natural look. Hey guys, here is the finished table for my photo shoot. This took me around 10 minutes to 15 minutes to finish it. The hardest part for this project is not about put it together, is to find all these products to fit into this look. Hope you enjoy it. See you next time. Hope this video will help you to do something different at home and still engaging with your customer. See you next time.